Why is it there? Yeah, we're feeding the birds. I have a full one of these up in the living room. I do. So next time we'll put the full one of these out because they seem to like it. I think it needs washing though, doesn't it? So we'll put that over here to wash. So yes, we've got to feel like our life depends on it. I've got all the biscuits to put out. Where's the silver tray? I'm going to put all the biscuits on this side. Hold on. I might not put them all out in one go. I might just put the digestives out first. Do they even like fig rolls? Huh? Change it up. Ginger nuts. No, I'm putting the digestives out. Huh? For the squirrels. Why would they like ginger nuts? Because they're nuts. They're not nuts. You're nuts. I haven't been in here for a while. They're a bit empty. Right. They're gonna get a surprise, aren't they? Put my bowls in. But because I haven't been putting a lot of food out, I have been eating these ones. So that's one good thing. Look, they've been at my seed bowl. That's one good thing. Got another box of these in the house as well. Yeah. Nuts. Lots of nuts. No one needs to ship it down there. We'll put some of this out by the way. Still debating where to put the biscuits. I believe how empty everything is. Seed in that one, and then just my tables and my biscuits. And I'm debating whether to put my biscuits on that table. What do you think? I don't know where my silver tray is. That I used last time. If that's what I'm going to do, we need some of these out. On the table. Right there. You guys. While it's been raining, my seeds are growing. And here, look. I think that needs emptying out. More grass in there from the seeds than anything. The birds aren't exactly going to eat it, are they? Not moving. No, that's all caked in. They can't actually get to the seed. Remember how I opened it? You need to twist that off, don't you? All you did then was twist that. Oh. Not budging, is it? Right, that needs coming out, and because that's going to hurt them more than anything, because look at all that lot in there. And they're not going to eat it because of all that lot. That needs going in and sorting. That does. Yeah, part 2 on this one. What I might do though, because I don't want to waste the seed that's in there, is I might do my own suet this week. I take that in, I can reuse that seed and make my own coconuts with it with the lard. Can't I? Right, do we need anything in there? Or not bother? They look really mouldy as well. They look mouldy as well, don't they? Ew. 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 Did I put that in there? Did I put that in there? It's tissue paper. Or has a mouse got in? I can't remember if I put that in there or not. And surely if a mouse, there's no hole in the box, is there? No hole outside. There's no hole for the mouse to have got in. So no mouse has got in. Not even more biscuits there. Coconut. Why have I not got a coconut out? Why have I not got a coconut out? Maybe there's something missing. So still seed on there, but or sunflower hearts. Sunflower hearts. Bit in there. Found it. Something has been trying to get in. And that wasn't there like that, was it, before? Hey, ginger nuts. They're not ginger nuts, they're digestives. How did I think they were ginger nuts? But that's your fault for saying to put the ginger nuts out. There you go. All done. So that's the pot. Yeah. So yeah, my birds are now lovingly full. Or filled. Yes. So keep an eye out for me doing the coconuts, hopefully this week, because I want to sort out that seed. Yeah. But thank you for joining me in feeding my birds. You know how much I love them. Oh, this is the bird box. Just showing the bird box, Mr. Producer. I was talking about it on my getting ready video. That is the bird box that we saw some finches go into this morning. Hopefully we're going to get a new family. I got all my finches with me. Yes. So make sure you give it a like, give it a subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and Instagram, Adelesexyuk. Go on the pinned post on my Twitter, Adelesexyuk. Retweet it and view it, because once it gets to 100,000 views, or is it retweets, I think it's views, then I will be releasing the full video on my OnlyFans free, and also on my Twitter as well. So come and check that out. I'm on OnlyFans, freebie, $10 in the VIP naughty one. Also on TikTok, Adidas TV, and CocoScope, Adelesexyuk. But for now, tweet her later.